When you think back to your days in school, how much did you actually learn about the things happening in a factory? Quite a black box, huh? Well, production or manufacturing is not only the transformation of materials to products and goods. It's a complex orchestra of different stakeholders and actors achieving their goal and producing the goods we consume and use in our everyday life. But what we must not forget about is the impact on society and environment. And to achieve the ultimate goal of sustainability, we will need an interdisciplinary team with a holistic understanding of manufacturing to actually achieve this goal. And we will need young talents to step in and to participate in this competition or challenge and shape our future lives. But how can we make more transparent what actually is happening inside a factory? Well, we could bring millions of pupils every year from secondary schools into factory and explain in detail what's happening there, but that's quite an effort. What we could try instead is to bring the factory to the desktop of the pupils. And this is what we did in our approach when we selected an everyday product with societal relevance and environmental impact, an electric vehicle. And this is one of our prototypes we're using right now. It's made from cardboard, but this small-scale electric vehicle follows the exact same process steps as a real-life car. And you can manually follow this value chain, so people can really get a grip on the processes involved here. But this electric vehicle, which, by the way, with the powertrain in place can be controlled via smartphone or tablet, is basically just a vehicle for us, because we created this virtual factory as well in order to convey basic knowledge about manufacturing. This factory comes to life using AR technologies and tablets or smartphones on the desktop of the pupils. And with additional content provided by us, we can challenge the students, convey basic knowledge about manufacturing, and pinpoint on the relevant challenges we have nowadays. We know schools are limited on budget. So all of this AR factory and app providing learning content, as well as the video footage, comes as a kit served for classroom usage in schools at a low price. So we hope that we can reach out to as many pupils as possible and spark the love for curiosity for manufacturing among pupils in Europe. Thank you.